today we're gonna prank my brother who's sleeping on the couch. And we're gonna scare the shit out of him with gun sounds from the PC.
No man, air horn.
Air horn, better.
Yeah, air horn.
Yeah.
But still from the PC, cause we don't got that shit right now, right here.
And I'm going to lay on the floor next to the couch, and when the sound comes, he will wake, no shit. And he will jump around, and I will scare the shit out of him while dressed like this.
Yeah, like Slenderman, you know.
Slenderman actions. And we're gonna kick his ass.
Alright.
So, let's do this shit.
Let's go.
Be quiet. He's sleeping in the other room.
Okay, so.
What's up, Doc? Is the volume high enough? 35. Wait. Yeah.
Waarom doet je dat, ja? Kan het slapen, ja?